Hello students, good morning. Children, as we have studied about mountaineer Bachendri Pal and a funny incident in which what does Khondonbi do to overcome her fear. Now let's start next. We were standing at a height of 2134 meters. We were to spend the night here. Everyone was busy trying to put up the tent. We used double layered plastic sheets for the tent and for the ground. The air between the layer would help to keep us warm. We put in the packs and began to put up the tent. As we tied it from one side, the wind flew the tent from the other side. After quite a lot of pulling and tugging, we managed to get the tent up. Then we dug a drain around the tent. We were feeling very hungry. We collected some firewood and stones to make a chulha and cooked some food. After the meal, we collected all the waste in a bag to clean the campsite. Soon we got into our sleeping bags. I was not sure if I would be able to sleep in it. Would it be comfortable? Would I not feel cold? But the bags were filled with the soft feathers, which help in keeping us warm. We were all very tired, so very soon we fell asleep. This is the 18th of February 1984. We were standing at the height of 2134 meters. We had to spend the night at this place. That's why everyone started putting up their own tent. These tents were double layer plastic sheet. The two plastic layers were filled with the air that keep us warm. As we tied it from one side, the wind blew the tent from other side. After much tussle, we set up the tent and dug a drain around the tent. Children, you know why drain was dug around the tent? Actually, drain was dug to keep off insect, scorpion, snakes, etc. We were hungry, so we collected stones and firewood and make a chulha and cooked food. After eating, we put all the garbage in a bag so that where we had to sleep stay there clean. We were very tired. That's why as soon as we entered our sleeping bag, we fell asleep. You know, children, inside sleeping bag were filled with soft feathers, which help in keeping us warm. The next morning, we woke up and found that it was snowing. White, soft, fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. Wow, it was so beautiful. The plants, the trees, the grass, and the mountains, everything looked white. Today we were to climb higher to 2700 meters. We walked carefully on the snow with the help of sticks. It was difficult because we kept slipping. By afternoon we had reached snow-covered mountains. We enjoyed throwing snowballs at each other and making a big snowman. When we woke up the next morning, we found that it was snowing. Snowfall was everywhere. It looked so beautiful. The plants, the trees, and the grass looked white. Our feet were sliding in the snow. That's why we were walking on the snow with the help of sticks. By afternoon, we had reached the snow-covered mountains. We enjoyed throwing snowball at each other and making a big snowman. Last day at camp, 21 February 1984. We were getting ready for the campfire Each group presented a program. We were enjoying telling jokes and laughing, singing and dancing around the campfire. Soon it was midnight. Brigadier Gyan Singh got up and called me. I thought, oh no, what have I done this time? But when Sir announced my name for the Best Performance Award, I stood still. He blessed me, and tears of joy rolled down my face. This is 21st February 1984. We were preparing for campfire. Everyone was presenting their own program. Someone was telling a joke while someone was singing and dancing. Had a very pleasant atmosphere. Soon it was midnight. Brigadier Gyan Singh called me. I thought, what happened now? But he announced my name for the Best Performance Award. I was stunning to hear that. I have tears of joy in my eyes. Today this chapter ends. I hope all of you enjoyed it, and you must have understood that what the mountaineers have to do. Thank you. Have a nice day.